All right, so we have our Cupcake Magic brand kit ready to go. So now I'm going to show you how to use your brand kit on Canva so that your designs flow together and stay within your brand guide. All right, so let's go into social media. Let's say we're going to create a Instagram post. So let's see here. Let's do social media. We're gonna do a Instagram post. Let's find something. Let's see. Let's go with this one. All right, so we're going to customize our template. This template, we are going to go to our brand and we're going to go get brand here, and then literally you just hit shuffle on colors and boom. To me, that is like the coolest thing. How neat is that? I think this one's really cute. Let's put our logo on here so we can brand it. Okay, and then let's update this with our font, which is the, there we go. Let's make it a little bit larger. Okay, that font works great. We know the bold is a good one. Let's make this all caps. Bring it down a little. And top here, we can use regular or medium even. Boom. Ta-da! So now this goes with the Cupcake Magic brand guide. How cool is that? Let's do another one. Let's look up some, let's look up cupcake pictures. Okay. Let's do a cell. Can we do a cupcake cell? I mean, of course, I would always suggest using like your own product photos. So like if you know, taking pictures of your own cupcakes and then loading them up online. So this is a cute one. Let's apply our style to it. Let's go to our brand. Kind of like this one. I would remove these and maybe put, whoops, I did it again. You do 2 of them if you wanted to. We could use like the logo as like our own little sticker. It's a little hard to see those. I would probably use like that beige, there we go, color, so you can see it a little bit better. And then up here you would just put your website. And we can use our brand. We have it. And then you can literally just start, you know, adding another one and then just creating your own, you know, setup. Something like this would be cute. We're open. I'm gonna use your colors. And then again, we can go in here and change your fonts. And we could use the cursive font for this one, the Bellaboo. And of course, we gotta pop in our logo somewhere. That in the middle, we can move some stuff around. There you go. How cute is that? Awesome. I hope that helps you guys. I know even just changing the colors alone can make a dramatic difference to using Canva's designs and then, you know, making them fit your brand.